Hey everybody, it's Pixel. Today we're going to be making a quick and easy slow cooker meal for chicken wings. And for that we're going to need about 2 pounds of chicken wings, a bottle of our favorite buffalo sauce, and a packet of Starting our wings will be simple. We just need to dump our chicken wings in. After that, you'll empty most of your bottle of buffalo sauce into our slow cooker. And sprinkle the ranch powder over it. You're going to be mixing this up thoroughly. The ranch and the buffalo sauce are coating all of the chicken wings. This will go on high for the next 3 hours in our slow cooker. Alright, 3 hours later, they are edible now as they are. This is where you get options. You can put them on a parchment covered pan, like I'm going to do, and put them under the broiler for a good 4 to 5 minutes until they crisp up a little. Or you can honestly just eat them like this. Okay, I'll be back in a minute. These are going to go into our oven, as I stated before, for about 4 to 5 minutes at the broil temperature. Be careful, because they can burn very easily this way. Well, our chicken wings are out. They look amazing. Got some of our dressing to dip them in. Last thing to do is try them. So, here we go. I gotta say, these are filled with wonderful flavor of buffalo. I'm sure you could do this with barbecue or even garlic parmesan. I will say, if you want crispy wings, these are not the ones to make, because even the broiler didn't crisp them up too much, and then the sauce just, made them all tender again. But if you like fall off the bone kind of wings that aren't so crispy, these are amazing. And really easy to make. So, you know the drill. If you like what you saw, have any thoughts, leave me a like and a comment. And I will see you in the next one.